like the last hour and a half. I'm like, what is really going on out here? This is why I be saying, man, do not depend on any one gig app to make your money. Because if you do, you may be in for a surprise when them orders dry up. And now you sitting around trying to make a decision if you want to go home or if you gonna stay out because you ain't making no money. All together yesterday, we ended up doing 3 dashes, one for $13, one for $49, and another for $12, bringing our total to like $73 for yesterday. I went in, took care of a couple errands inside the house, got some business done, got a couple videos edited, and we right back out today. Very next day, making that money. I just got my first order of this shift, and we checking in at Applebee's, guys. I got $5.75. Nothing major, but it's 0.9 of a mile. That's what I love about it. It's 5 to 1 miles to money ratio, so it's a great order right there. Now, it's the slow time. This is the between lunch and dinner shift time. So this is notoriously a slow time across all markets. So for me to get an order that's paying 5 to 1 miles to money ratio, and I'm basically just going 2 streets over from Applebee's, let's get it. I love it. So we headed it. We here now. We not headed. We here now. I'm about to check on in and get this order. Next order, we got $6.25 for 3.7 miles at KFC. Keep them wheels rolling. KFC is located 2 spots over from where I just picked up this Applebee's from. So this is a great order to keep the wheels rolling. Might even get an add-on at KFC also. All right, now we dropping off this KFC order. This one came in at $6.25. Not too bad. Hopefully they give me something a little bit more higher paying next. Next up, we got $4.25 for 0.7 of a mile. Go ahead, check it out. You can see that $4.25 for 0.7 right here at Dairy Queen. Drive-through pickup. So we pulling up right now. I'm about to hit that drive-through. Now this is my 3rd order, and they all been low paying. They've been high paying according to Doordash, but according to my standards, they've been low paying orders, but they also been low mileage orders too. So I love it. Let's see if they got this thing ready. Yes, ma'am. I'm just picking up a Doordash order. All right, guys, we in luck. That order was ready. Another drive-through pickup. We got less than a mile delivery distance on this one. I love it. 3 orders done in the first 30 minutes. Let's get it. Now, I wish every day could be like that, but we know it's not gonna always be like that, especially when it comes to the Doordash app. But that's okay though, because we're gonna do our best to maximize, and we're gonna work with what we in a 1-minute drive for that delivery, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna go in here and hand this order to our customer, and I'm gonna get my Doordash picture. Yes, sir. We got that order dropped off. We got a nice $2 tip. Let's get it. All right, $2 for less than a mile. I love it. Let's see what we get next. If anything, the hotspot did just expand, so I'm hoping that they send me something like right away. As you can see here, the map just got bigger red, so they should send me something. It is telling me basically that it's more orders out here than it was a few minutes ago. Come on with it. What is you gonna send me? Because I need to keep these wheels rolling. That was a great order number 3. It was something that was already ready. It was on my route. Keep sending me orders like that, and I love it. Yes, sir. We just got our next order. We heading right back to Dairy Queen, and I'm glad because look, I did not move from this parking spot I'm at. The last drop off, I stayed right here because I'm in a public parking spot. I'm parked at the business, but the business that I dropped off to is 2 businesses down. So I stayed right here, and they just hit me with my next order, $7.75 plus 9 miles. Check it out. Right back at Dairy Queen. So you know I'm about to head over there, grab that. Now I'm not really tripping off the plus sign. I know what time it is. It's the, it's the middle of the day between lunch and dinner time. So they just trying to manipulate me, make me think it's finna go up a lot. It may only go up by a quarter. $7.75 for 2.9. I would have took that anyways. That's the highest order I've gotten for this whole shift. Order number 4, let's go. You wanna make sure that you working the best times when you using the Doordash app. Now I could have went out earlier today. I could have, it was probably really busy earlier today, but I said, you know what? If I wait and I save my energy to this afternoon, I can work the whole afternoon, make more money than I would if I focus on working the morning time and the nighttime. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work the afternoon into the dinner shift, and I'm gonna maximize that way, because it can be a lot when you doing, more than 6 hours plus straight in your car doing these delivery apps. So it's important that you pick the best times to be out delivering. Dropping off order number 4 right here. It's the first time I got 4 orders done with Doordash that quickly. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and confirm that. $7.75 for 2.9. Woo, I was wrong on that one. $10.25. That customer left an $8 tip. Awesome, amazing customer. Let's see what we get next. Just got my next order, guys. We got $8.75 for 3.2 miles over at Hawaiian Bros. And this is order number 5 right here. And I'm very, very happy because I haven't had to decline any orders today at all. So that acceptance rate is going in the right direction it need to, which is up. Because you ain't getting no orders if you get below 50%, and that's a fact. DoorDash is changing, guys. It's not the same as it used to be. You know, in the past, you can just decline until your heart's content. I get it. You can't do it no more, because guess what? If you hit that decline button too many times, they just gonna stop sending you orders altogether. Altogether, you won't even see nothing no more. So your best bet is to figure out if anything can fit in your parameters and go ahead and knock it out. And even better, do some multi-apping. I ain't got no multi-apping action going on today, but that's okay though, because we making it happen with DoorDash. This order right here is number 5, and that's all within the first hour, so I'm cool with that. I'm gonna be at like $34 after this order, and if they send me one more, that'll be 6 orders in the first hour and a half, and I'll probably be like maybe like $40, something like that. They send me an add-on for this Hawaiian Bros, I'm definitely gonna be at $40. Third, we got that Hawaiian Bros in the delivery bag, ready to go. Now we got a 3-mile drive away, and we headed out right now. The traffic has not picked up yet because it's the weekend, and we gonna have easier time getting over on the college campus. It's not gonna be a whole bunch of cars on the road, nobody impeding traffic. I love it. Let's get it. Don't you just love it when you pull up to a delivery and you just can't see an address at all? Like, both neighbors got perfectly visible addresses, but this one you can't see no number. I freaking love it. Alrighty, we got that one dropped off. That should put us at 34, nope, $35. Let's get it. Well, I had to switch zones, but I just got my next order finally, because it was getting slow over in that other zone. Yeah, it was getting kind of slow in that other zone. So we got 625 plus for what's that, 1.3 miles? I'll take that all day long. Right here at Wendy's. I'm going through the drive-through this time, because last time I was here, man, they had me waiting forever on the inside. And I say, look, they got me messed up. They think I'm finna wait again. I'm finna go through this drive-through. I'm finna get their timer running so they know to make their food, and they know if you make me wait, you're making yourself wait, because that timer is gonna keep on going. It's like I made the right decision switching zones. We got an additional $6 for 3 miles. I'll take that. And I got my pizza bag with me in the car ready to go. I'm sitting in the drive-thru for this one, so that gives Little Caesars a little time to make this order. And Little Caesars is right over there, if I'm not mistaken, right over there next to Qdoba. We're gonna grab this one first, then we're gonna pick up our Little Caesars order.
At my door.
Oh, I surely will. Woo-wee, baby Jesus in a blanket. I got to use the restroom, y'all. I'm about to head over to Panera. Looky here, baby Jesus in a blanket. I got to go. I got to use the restroom, and I cannot hold it at all. I'm not capping. I'm about to pull up to this Panera, and they better not have no line, because looky here. Next up, we just got lucky on this one, man. DoorDash slowed all the way down. End of the lunch, or that little split shift into the dinner shift, it got super slow. I got me a Walmart Spark order though to keep the wheels rolling. $25, 5 miles on this one, 2 customers, and I already got the groceries in the back. I'm actually leaving Walmart right now. My GPS say that I got 5-minute drive to the first customer, so that's perfect. It's leading me over there to some merchants, some food delivery merchants, restaurants, maybe some shopping delivers possibly. Let's head over, drop this first part of this order. All right, we made it to our Walmart Spark delivery. Let's get these groceries dropped off. Couple more bags left. I'm gonna carry all of these. Third, got another $25 added to the tally. So now we sitting at $75. I only need about 25 more bucks to hit my daily goal. Let's see if we can do it with DoorDash, or will it be with Walmart? Alrighty, FDA family. We got one more, $32. 3 customers, 7 miles. This is the order I needed, guys. Put me over the edge, over $100 on the day. And man, what a day, because DoorDash been tweaking, boy. They ain't gave me no offers like the last hour and a half. I'm like, what is really going on out here? This is why I be saying, man, do not depend on any one gig app to make your money. Because if you do, you may be in for a surprise when them orders dry up, and now you sitting around trying to make a decision if you want to go home or if you're going to stay out because you ain't making no money. This is why I recommend using multiple apps, guys.